Bill Gates is a name that is synonymous with technology and innovation. As the co-founder of Microsoft, Gates revolutionized the way the world operates and became one of the richest people on the planet. But there's another side to Bill Gates that is lesser known: his prowess as an investor. Over the years, Gates has built a formidable investment portfolio with holdings in some of the world's largest and most successful companies. In fact, Gates' investment philosophy is so sound that his portfolio has consistently outperformed the market. Another thing that makes Gates a great investor is his ability to stay calm during market downturns. While other investors panic and sell off their holdings, Gates remains cool and collected. This allows him to buy great companies at discounted prices, which ultimately leads to higher returns. During his youth, Bill Gates became acquainted with Warren Buffett and was inspired by his investment strategies. Following Buffett's approach, Gates began investing in high-quality businesses at favorable prices. As the stock market began to decline over the past year, Gates saw this as a chance to acquire additional stocks and expand his portfolio. Although we cannot peep into Bill Gates' personal stock portfolio, we can take a glimpse into the stocks he has bought through his Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust. The foundation has made a total of 13 stock purchases for 2022, but only a few of them made a significant impact on his portfolio. The rest were negligible, so let's not dwell on them. Instead, let's focus on his top 6 most significant purchases. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Now let's get right into the video. Number 1. Microsoft Corporation. It's quite fascinating to note that Bill Gates' biggest stock holding is in the company he founded many years ago. What's even more intriguing is that he continues to invest in his own creation to this day. Despite divesting from Microsoft during the tech bubble in the late 1990s to diversify his portfolio, he is now reinvesting in the same stock. It's remarkable to see him bullish on Microsoft even after it has gone up a whopping 239,000. Bill Gates' unwavering faith in his brainchild is truly remarkable. To give you an idea of how much Gates believes in Microsoft, let's look at some of the recent statistics. As of the time of this video, Microsoft's market capitalization is over $2 trillion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Microsoft's share price has also been performing well, with a year-to-date return of over 30%. This means that if you had invested in Microsoft at the beginning of the year, you would have earned over 30% on your investment by now. But why is Bill Gates buying even more Microsoft stock in 2022 to 2023? Well, the answer lies in the company's growth prospects. Microsoft has been making significant investments in areas like cloud computing and artificial intelligence, which are expected to be major growth drivers in the future. Additionally, Microsoft's financials have been strong, with the company consistently delivering impressive earnings reports and beating analysts' expectations. In fact, according to recent reports, Microsoft's revenue for the fiscal year 2021 was over $168 billion, up 19% from the previous year. Its net income for the same period was over $61 billion, up 44% from the previous year. These impressive financials are a testament to the company's resilience and strength, even during uncertain times like the COVID-19 pandemic. It seems like Microsoft can do no wrong, and Gates is well aware of this. The fact that he divested from Microsoft back in the late 1990s and then bought back into the same stock after such a significant rise could be seen as a vote of confidence in the company's future prospects. And if you're considering investing in Microsoft yourself, it's worth noting that Gates' purchase could signal that the company is undervalued and has significant potential for growth in the future. Number 2. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett go way back. They've been close friends since their first meeting in 1991. It's a famous story. They hit it off right away, and when asked separately about the key to their success, they both wrote down the same word: focus. Gates went on to create the second largest company in the world by market cap, Microsoft, and Buffett currently helms in the sixth largest, Berkshire Hathaway. These two investment titans share a passion for long-term investing, sustainable growth, and building strong companies with solid fundamentals. It's no surprise that they've remained close over the years and continue to inspire each other in their respective fields. Bill Gates has a great deal of admiration for Warren Buffett, not just as a friend, but also for his exceptional investing skills. Their shared passion for investing is what brought them together in the first place. As a testament to his belief in Buffett's investment prowess, Gates has invested heavily in Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway. In fact, it was Gates' third largest purchase this year, accounting for a significant 9.3% of his entire portfolio. As a result, it now represents the second largest position in his portfolio, accounting for a whopping 23.3% of his entire investment portfolio. Berkshire Hathaway also has a solid track record of generating significant returns for its investors. Over the past decade, the company has delivered an average annual return of 20.3%, outperforming the S&P 500's average annual return of 13.6% over the same period. Buffett's investment style, which emphasizes buying great companies at fair prices and holding them for the long term, has also resonated with Gates. Gates has stated in the past that he looks for companies with a strong competitive advantage, a talented management team, and a clear growth strategy, and Berkshire Hathaway ticks all those boxes. Moreover, the recent market volatility caused by the pandemic has created buying opportunities for Gates and other investors, and Berkshire Hathaway stock has been trading at a discount compared to its intrinsic value. With its diverse range of businesses and stable revenue streams, Berkshire Hathaway is a solid long-term investment, and it's no surprise that Gates has continued to add to his position in the company. Number 3. Canadian National Railway. Bill Gates' third biggest recent purchase was the Canadian National Railway, which he's held onto for quite a while. In a time where many investors are hesitant about the stock market, Gates seems to have found a gem with this purchase. As of 2022, Canadian National Railway Co. was one of the best performing stocks in the transportation sector. With a market capitalization of over $75 billion, it has become one of the largest railway companies in North America, and Gates saw the potential in this company. Even though a lot of people may view this as a traditional old-school stock, with a business model that's been around for over 100 years, Gates is still persistent with this investment. So what did Gates see in this railway company? First and foremost, the company is known for its efficiency, reliability, and environmentally friendly practices. In a world where sustainability is becoming more important, Canadian National Railway has become a leader in eco-friendly transportation. In fact, the company has a goal to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2030. Gates has always been a strong advocate for sustainability, so it's no surprise that he invested in a company that shares his values. But let's not forget about the financials. Canadian National Railway Co. has been performing very well financially, even amidst the pandemic. In 2021, the company's revenue increased by over 7%, and its net income increased by over 15%. These impressive financials were likely a major factor in Gates' decision to invest in the company. According to recent reports, Gates' trust purchased over 2.5 million shares of Canadian National Railway Co. in 2022, making it one of the top 5 holdings in his portfolio. As of April 2023, the stock is up over 25% since Gates' purchase, making it one of the best performing stocks in his portfolio. It's important to note that Gates is not the only one who sees the potential in Canadian National Railway Co. In fact, the company has received high praise from many analysts and investors. Many believe that the company's strong financials, commitment to sustainability, and efficient operations make it a solid long-term investment. With its commitment to sustainability and efficient operations, Canadian National Railway Co. is likely to continue to be a leader in the transportation industry for years to come. Number 4. Waste Management Inc. Gates' investment firm has purchased a considerable stake in Waste Management Inc. In fact, its fourth largest holding, making up 10.2% of his portfolio, valued at over $10 billion. Waste Management is a leading provider of waste management services in North America, providing collection, transfer, recycling, and disposal of non-hazardous solid waste. The company has a strong focus on sustainability, recycling, and renewable energy. These efforts have helped it establish a strong market position and build a reputation as an environmentally responsible company. Bill Gates' investment in waste management is a testament to his belief in the company's future growth potential. The company has seen impressive financial performance in recent years, with revenues growing from $14.5 billion in 2017 to $16.5 billion in 2021, a 13.8% increase. In addition, the company has consistently maintained its strong profitability with a net income of $1.6 billion in 2021. One reason for the company's success is its focus on innovation and technology. Waste Management has invested in advanced recycling and disposal technologies, such as waste-to-energy facilities that convert landfill gas into renewable energy. The company has also implemented digital technologies to optimize collection and disposal operations, improving efficiency and reducing costs. In 2022, Waste Management announced a $650 million investment in renewable natural gas (RNG) projects, with the aim of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing sustainability. This investment will create new revenue streams and further solidify Waste Management's market position as a leading provider of sustainable waste management services. Gates' investment in Waste Management is a strategic move, considering the company's focus on sustainability and growth potential. Waste Management stock has also been performing well, with a steady increase in price in recent years. As of March 2023, the company's stock is trading at $159.35, up from $109.34 in 2017, representing a 45.7% increase. Waste Management's strong financial performance, focus on innovation, and commitment to sustainability make it a solid investment choice for long-term growth. Number 5. Caterpillar Inc. Caterpillar Inc. is a well-known and established company that produces a wide range of heavy machinery, including construction and mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines, and locomotives. And it seems that Bill Gates recognizes the potential of this company as an investment opportunity. According to recent reports, Gates has added Caterpillar to his portfolio through his Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust, and as of early 2023, the foundation holds approximately 2.3 million shares of the company. This is a significant purchase for the trust, as it represents over 4% of the foundation's overall portfolio. Caterpillar has seen some fluctuations in its stock price over the past year, but overall, it has been performing well. In early 2022, the company's stock price was around $198 per share, and it steadily increased throughout the year, reaching a peak of around $265 per share in late 2022. However, like many other stocks, Caterpillar experienced a dip in early 2023, with its stock price falling to around $240 per share. Despite this dip, analysts are optimistic about Caterpillar's future performance, especially as the global economy continues to recover from the pandemic. The company's strong presence in the heavy machinery industry and its reputation for quality and reliability make it a solid investment choice. Furthermore, Caterpillar has been making efforts to improve its sustainability and environmental impact, which is increasingly important to investors who prioritize socially responsible investing. The company has set ambitious targets to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions and has made significant investments in renewable energy sources. Overall, it's clear that Bill Gates sees potential in Caterpillar as an investment opportunity, and with the company's strong presence in the heavy machinery industry and commitment to sustainability, it's easy to see why. As always, it's important to remember that investing in stocks comes with inherent risks, and it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Number 6. Deere Co. Deere Co., the American manufacturing company that produces agricultural, construction, and forestry machinery, is one of the stocks that Bill Gates added to his portfolio last year. As of the latest SEC filing in December 2022, Gates' Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust holds approximately 3.3 million shares of Deere Co., which represents around 3% of the trust's total portfolio. Deere Co. is a company with a long history of success, having been in business for over 180 years. In recent years, the company has been performing well, and the stock price has reflected that. Over the past year, the stock has increased in value from around $342 to over $428 as of January 2023, outperforming the S&P 500 index. One of the reasons why Deere Co. is an attractive investment for Gates is the company's stable and predictable business model. The company has a strong market position in the agricultural and construction equipment industries, with a reputation for producing high-quality and reliable products. Additionally, Deere Co. has a diverse customer base that includes farmers, construction companies, and governments, which helps insulate the company from economic downturns. Aside from this, Deere Co. is also investing heavily in new technologies, including automation and artificial intelligence, which could provide the company with a competitive advantage in the future. For example, the company recently acquired Bear Flag Robotics, a startup that develops autonomous driving technology for tractors, which could potentially reduce labor costs for farmers. Despite the promising outlook, there are some risks associated with investing in Deere Co. The company's success is closely tied to the performance of the global agriculture and construction markets, which can be subject to volatility. Additionally, the ongoing trade disputes between the US and China could impact Deere Co.'s sales, as China is a significant market for the company. With its strong market position, diverse customer base, and investments in new technologies, Deere Co. is a promising investment that has performed well in the past year. However, investors should also be aware of the potential risks associated with the company's exposure to volatile markets and ongoing trade tensions. Final part. It's truly remarkable how Gates has managed to consistently identify stocks that have stood the test of time, especially in the tumultuous year that was 2022. His investments have remained relatively stable, with the exception of Microsoft, which has experienced some ups and downs. The Gates Trust prefers to invest in businesses with conservative, tried-and-true models. Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, and Canadian National Railway are all established companies with established products and loyal customer bases. These are the kind of businesses that are unlikely to disappear, even in the face of economic uncertainty or a recession. Gates has certainly taken a smart approach to investing, choosing to focus on quality businesses he can trust. By investing in these companies, he can rest easy knowing that his portfolio is in good hands no matter how the economy is doing. The Gates Trust's investment strategy may not be flashy or exciting, but it's a tried-and-true method for generating steady returns over the long term. And given Gates' track record, it's hard to argue with the results. Perhaps the most impressive thing about Gates' investing prowess is his ability to stay true to his values. Gates has always been committed to investing in companies that make a positive impact on the world, and he has never wavered from that philosophy. This has allowed him to build a portfolio that not only generates great returns, but also makes a difference in the world. In conclusion, Bill Gates is not just a tech visionary, but also a savvy investor. His ability to identify great companies, stay calm during market downturns, and stay true to his values has made him one of the most successful investors of all time. For those looking to follow in his footsteps, there is much to learn from the investment strategies of this modern-day Renaissance man. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and click on subscribe if you wish to view more videos just like this one. See you in the next video, financial buddies!